In Simple is Best 8 today, I will be filling a 36-inch by 24-inch canvas with white paint, and then I'm going to be pouring a little bit of color and blowing on that, and that's it. Super simple. Now, just to show you guys the type of result that this gives is like this, and I really love it. Of course, this is all varnished and ready, but you can see that I blowed on it, and it's kind of cool, right? So I'm going for this again, except with different colors. I'm going very colorful. And the way I see it in my head is I want to create 2 or 3 waves and then have a lot of negative space in between them. So I'm using aquamarine, ultramarine blue, bubblegum pink, brilliant purple, saffron yellow, and desert turquoise, all by DecoArt Americana brand. I will put those in the description, including everything that I'm using, which is only white paint and Liquitex pouring medium. So I add a little bit, not a lot, of Liquitex pouring medium into each of my colors, and then I dilute with water. I do have a few videos if you guys want to see how I prepare my paints that I did a while ago. Maybe I should do a new one and take more of my time. Anyways, so also before I start, I just want to mention one thing. There are a lot of people who ask me what's my other brand that I put in there. And I'm just keeping it a secret because it's the only thing that I have as a secret that I haven't shared, and I don't know. You guys, if you're new and you're starting out and you want to create cells easily, this is the key. It's Artist Loft, the white brand. Artist Loft brand, the white paint. You don't need to add silicone, you don't need to add alcohol, you don't need to torch, you don't need to do anything if you're using this in your paint for cells. It goes much better if you use DecoArt with it. The reason I add another brand in there is because I want less cells. I don't want there to be cells everywhere. And also, what happens with this white is that it gets lost. So yes, there'll be a zillion cells everywhere, but that white paint will just be vanished. And I like there to be some white left. So that's it. That's the only reason I add another brand. And like, you guys can go out and try any different kind that you want. It's probably gonna work. All right, so let me just set myself up here, and I am going for this. So I waited a bit. This is about 30 minutes later because the paint kept moving a bit and some cells appeared, but I'm thinking it's gonna stay like this. Now, I'm gonna have to say, you guys, this went really well. It was pretty easy. I'm not calling it simple is best for nothing. And the paints reacted perfectly. Now, it will dry a tad darker, which is fine. So cool. I had so much fun with this. The purple and the blue. And I did use my torch there. Now you can see it's drying already. Now I did use my torch to pop the little bubbles in the white area. Loving it. Super simple. Great overall look. Hope you guys like this. Stay tuned for the dried result. So I'm back with the dried result, almost dried, but enough to be hung up there. I couldn't wait. I had to film this before I left, and I wanted to show you it dried perfectly. Like, my negative space is really well done. I'm very happy with this. There, you can see where it's not completely dried. And there is a tad of texture, but that's normal, like given the technique, and I really don't mind it. And I have to admit, you guys, it looks better in person. Compared to other videos that I've done, when I look at the overall look in person, it's incredible. I'm super happy with it. Hope you guys like this. Have a good one.